Hey everyone, it's Ashley, your independent Scentsy consultant, and I just wanted to come on and make a really quick video, but I really wanted to share this with you guys. So in the month of September, we are having enhanced starter kits if you join Scentsy. So I just wanted to get on and share with you because if I don't, I feel like you'll have no idea about it, and this is such an awesome opportunity. So in the month of September, if you just join for the standard, like get on my website, say join, you're not hosting a party, anything like that, you're paying for the full $99 kit, you are gonna get a free palette warmer included in the $99 kit. So I have a picture of everything that's included, you guys. It is crazy how much comes in these kits. I got the $99 kit myself, which is all these goodies up here, way more than $90. Plus you get our new palette warmer, which is valued at $55 alone. It's crazy. And all of this has tools to start your business, like testers, catalogs, product lists, stickers, like all the things, all the brochures. You get 2 warmers, pods, a bar, sample packs, hand soap. Like, look at all these good things in here. Even just buying the kit alone is such a good deal because it's $99. Plus now it has a $55 warmer on top of everything else included for free. So I just wanted to let you guys know it's going on the whole month of September. I don't know if it's while supplies last. Like, you know, maybe they have a ton of people sign up and they run out of palette warmers. If it will cease, I don't recall them saying that, but just FYI, if it's like a crazy mad dash to join Scentsy, things could change. Sometimes when they do these promotions, it's only while supplies last. So if you're hosting a party with me though, even better news. Once you hit $200 on a open party, you unlocked what's called a host exclusive kit, which is kind of like a reduced starter kit for less money. So they are $59, and then you can redeem your host like free product credit towards that. And if you host a $500 party, you can essentially get that kit for no out-of-pocket cost because your credit covers the entire cost of the kit, which means you basically just started your business for free. But there are extra goodies included in that kit. So this is the host exclusive starter kit. It has a little bit less product, as you will be able to see. But with those, they are including the Salerno mini warmer and then 2 bars as well. So we have cashmere and corduroy and Luna for the bars. Plus you're getting the testers, you're still getting the business supplies like catalogs, product lists, still plenty of things to start your business, but potentially at zero out-of-pocket cost to you if you're already hosting a party. So this is in September. Once again, if it's crazy popular, it could be while supplies last, but I just wanted to let you guys know if you were thinking about potentially joining, even if it is to only get a discount. That's how I started. I was buying so much Scentsy. I was like, it's kind of ridiculous that I'm spending this much. I may as well get money back. And then also I joined because I absolutely love making samples. It sounds so crazy, but I would literally watch videos of people making Scentsy samples, not as a consultant. That's when I kind of realized, like, okay, I'm doing this just as a consumer. I need to join, I need to do this for myself. So if you guys are already like sharing with your friends and family Scentsy, if you're waking up in the middle of the night to buy Scentsy at release time, I think the writing's on the wall. You need to join. So I just wanted to let you guys know of this join special. Of course, if you have questions, please message me. But I just wanted to let you know of this because, like I said, alone, like nothing else included, like commissions and all the perks of being a consultant, the $99 kit alone, including a free $55 warmer, the new palette warmer, is incredible. So like I said, message me, you guys, if you have any questions. I just wanted to share this with you all. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.